Hi, this is Jack Stanley, and not able to sleep, so I decided to get up and wander around and sit down in the dining room for a little while and think. And while I'm sitting here thinking, a memory came to me, which is kind of fascinating because, especially in this day and age, it's remarkably fascinating. My mother worked for a company called EMCO Container a half century ago. And as a right for employees, they used to have this open house where people could come in and see what they did. And of course, what EMCO Container was making plastics. Now, mind you, this is the end of the 1960s. And in the end of the 1960s, everything was in glass. When you went to the store, your milk was in a glass bottle. Soda was always in glass bottles. Everything was in glass or otherwise perhaps in cans. But when we took this walk through EMCO Container, the individual who gave us the tour looking at the molding machines, etc., said within a few years, everything will be in plastic. Now, we all sat there and said, oh, come on, that's not going to happen. Well, it did. And it was revolutionary if you think about it. Plastic containers everywhere. In 1969, 1970, no one could have dreamed of such things. Got to remember, even going back earlier, I remember we used to get our milk delivered, milk and eggs. Used to come in every day, and there would be a box outside the house, which the milk and eggs would be put into, and it would always be in a glass container. Think about it. Think about your childhood. Everything was in glass. And of course, today, everything's in plastic. Amazing how much a half century can change the very nature of everything around you. Think about this the next time you sit there and say, nah, it'll never happen. More often than not, it will.